What is going on YouTube? This is your Pakistani Savior bringing you yet another video of Packy Kicks. And now for today's video for you guys, I have a bunch of pickups that came in the mail today, and we're gonna get ready to unbox these pickups for you guys. Before we get into this unboxing, please make sure to hit the like button as well as hit the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate the support from you guys, and if you did that for me. With all that being said though, let's get right into our latest pickups. So for my first pickup here, the first one I know comes from a UK or European retailer. It's called Size, and I won this shoe off one of their raffles, and I was able to get this shoe early because in Europe they actually released the shoe, I believe, 2 weeks early compared to the US release dates. And I signed up for a raffle for them, and luckily I won a raffle on these. And I'm so glad I was able to get this shoe early here because I really wanted this sneaker, and I think it's gonna be like one of my favorites of the year so far. So I'm gonna open up this package right here and show you guys what shoe I got early in here for you guys. All right, so opening the package up, as you guys can see, we have a silver Air Jordan 1 retro box. And you guys may already have an indication of what this shoe might be based upon it being a silver box. And I'm going to open up the box up. You guys can see the little Jumpman 2020 paper right here. And I'm really excited to see these. And here we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 co.jp Midnight Navies. And I was really excited to get this pair because when I saw pictures of these, of both the silver and this one was the must-have in my opinion of that whole pack. Even though I do have the silver ones, I wanted these a lot more than the silver retro ones. And just looking at them, the quality feels A1 on them, and the shoe again just looks super nice here, and I just love the way it looks. I love the navy color, and I love the white that goes with it. I don't mind the rope lace that it has here, but it also has these white flat laces as well. So this, in my opinion, is probably my favorite Jordan 1 of the year. Just personally for me, I just love the quality and I love the way it looks, and it's just unique and different from any other pair of ones. So I'm really glad to have this shoe early. Definitely expect a shoe review for this sometime this week because I can't wait to put these on feet and give you guys an on feet look at this. But that is the first sneaker pickup. So we'll get on to the next one. For our next box, the next box I have, as you guys can see, we have black Just Do It tape. This comes us directly from Nike. And what I got here, I cooked off. It wasn't even a restock from Nike. It was just a random drop that Nike decided to do. And this stuff that I got here, I didn't even get directly from Nike sneakers. It was straight off the Nike Plus app. And this is actually apparel that sold out really fast in my opinion. And it was actually apparel that I was looking at for about a few weeks now that I really wanted, but didn't want to pay any resale or anything like in terms of it. So I was able to get 2 pieces from this collection for retail, and I'm really excited because it's probably one of my favorite like pieces that Nike has put out. So I'm definitely going to show you guys what it is right here. Got the box opened here, and if you guys don't know, the stuff and apparel that I'm talking about is bang right here. If you guys cannot tell, that is the Jordan Fragment apparel that released or coincided with the Jordan Fragment 3s. And in my opinion, the apparel for the Jordan Fragments was way better than the Jordan Fragment 3s. I thought the way they had utilized the pictures and the graphics for this Jordan Fragment collaboration was really dope. The 3s were cool and all, but I thought they were a little bit basic with the white and black color scheme. But this apparel right here, bang is much better in my opinion. I just really like it a lot, and I really wanted it when it came up. I never had an opportunity to get it, and I think when they released the Fragment 3s in Europe, that's when Nike in the US decided to drop the apparel to go along with it. So I'm gonna be opening this up for you guys because I definitely want to wear these for sure. So the first piece, which is my favorite piece of the collaboration or of the apparel, is this Jordan Fragment hoodie. Now this is a heather gray hoodie. I think this was in black and it was in this gray color, and I personally like the gray color a lot more. I just think the logo here pops. You see MJ right here dunking, and this is like in a bird's eye view perspective. If you can see, we got our blue fragment logo with the white lightning bolts, and overall it's a nice quality Jordan hoodie. And it's just like, I just love the graphic on this. I think it's just super dope in my opinion. And on the pocket of this hoodie, we have our patch that has the fragment logo and the Jumpman. And overall, I am very satisfied. I just love this hoodie a lot, and I'm really glad to get it in my size for sure. And this was my favorite piece of this collaboration. I really like this piece a lot. And the next one I also picked up was another one of my favorites, and that was the Jordan fragment long sleeve. And opening this up, the long sleeve came in two colors. It was in a black color and it was in this white color. The reason I picked this one up in the white was because I have a lot of long sleeve clothing that's in mostly darker colors, so I didn't have nothing that was in white. A risk for having white clothing is that it can get dirty easily, but I just thought this item was a lot fire in the white color. So opening this up and showing you guys outside of its packaging, again here with our Jordan fragment long sleeve, we have in blue, we have the Jumpman logo, and it says, you know, Air Jordan. The Air Jordan part of this is actually stitched, which is a very nice touch, and the fragment and the Jumpman is screen printed, but it is a nice, you know, quality screen print. And here you have it full out. One thing I will say though is that on this long sleeve, the graphic on the very back of it is much nicer than the hoodie in my opinion, and the back graphic is super dope because you have Michael Jordan doing a reverse dunk on the back, and you see him rocking a pair of those Air Jordan 3s on them. And this is such a dope collaboration here. I just really love the apparel. I think they did an excellent job with this Jordan fragment apparel in my opinion, and I absolutely love it. So great job on Fragment on their part for killing this collaboration. I definitely cannot wait to wear this stuff here. But that is basically all the pickups that I had today to share with you guys. Let me know what you guys do think of my recent Jordan pickups. Do you guys like them? Do you guys hate them? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please make sure, again, hit the like button on this video as well as hit the subscribe button as well. I really appreciate the support from you guys. If you did that for me, it really mean a lot to me. And also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. The Instagram is on the bottom left corner of the video. And once again, guys, I appreciate for watching this video and getting a chance to look at my most recent pickups right here. Peace.
Hundreds feel like ones, millions feel like thousands. Never see the sun, always see the night. Gang ain't just like them.